Hi, you're watching Shoot Your Shot TV. My name is Paul. I'm the host of the show. Shout out to the producer of the show, C-Rock Behind the Lens. We're back with a new episode for you guys, but before we get into that, as always, want to ask you to please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Promise you, there's great content on there that you might be interested in. Also, just want to shout out everyone that's been subscribed, that's been checking our videos out, running up the views. Shout out to y'all. We appreciate you. But on today's episode, we got some other shoes for the rugged outdoors. The Nike Air Terra Humara in the olive gray orange colorway. Classic right here, straight from the 90s. You already know what it is. Shoot Your Shot TV, Shoot Your Shot Records, Air Terra Humara. I just like saying that. Let's get it. Hi, how you guys doing? Hopefully you're doing great. Today we're reviewing the Nike Air Terra Humara. The shoe originally released back in 1998 and it had a very urban look to it. It was meant for outdoor trails, trail running, things like that, but was very popular as just a lifestyle shoe. If you remember these from back in the day, you might remember Aaliyah wearing these in the Are You That Somebody video. Shout out to Aaliyah, R.I.P. C-Rock had these shoes back in the day, so when he found out they were coming back out, he just had to have them. He waited for the perfect time for them to drop in price, picked them up at a steal. Picked these up last year. We kind of forgot about them. We had them in the stash, but we thought it'd be fun to review for you guys. Another trail runner, the Nike Air Terra Humara. Let's go ahead and take a look at the shoe. Here they are, the Nike Air Terra Humara in that olive gray colorway, in that deep orange with a little bit of black. And this shoe in hand, it feels very rugged, very rigid, very durable. It has very extensive leather overlays on the side paneling of the shoe and leather throughout the shoe as well, right here on the mud guard. You have black leather, olive gray leather. You have a nice little suede side paneling right here on the side of the shoe and on the back of the heel as well, where it has the swoosh with the air. I don't remember them being like heavily branded with ACG, but I do remember that this little Nike insignia right here, the swoosh, was synonymous with a bunch of different ACG models, like the Air Sturgs or the Air Sturgis, Air Albus. The shoe's just, it looks very durable. It screams outdoors. It screams like it's ready for the trails. It feels good in hand. You have a lot of good traction right here on the bottom of the shoe for when you're outdoors. And you do have the visible air unit, but they did a little bit different. They kind of covered it, just gave you these little circular holes right here for the window. It was inspired by the ruggedness of motorcycle tires and things like that. It's a really classic design. It does scream 90s, but this would fit perfectly in today's fashion as trail runners are in, bulky runners are in. Let's go ahead and take a smell of 98. Are you that somebody? Let's go ahead and try these on. That was our signature on-foot look. Crep check real quick. I'm wearing the Air Max 90 infrared duck camo. We previously reviewed those. You can check out that review right here. Over here at Shoot Your Shot TV, we like to break down the shoe into 3 important categories: comfort, style, and price. We're gonna jump right into that. As far as comfort goes, it's not the most comfortable shoe. It is a little bit on the stiff, bulky side, but you can feel the air pocket, you can feel the air unit in the back of the heel. In the forefoot, it is a little bit more narrow. It doesn't feel like this material has a lot of give to it, so I recommend maybe going a half size up. But if you have narrow feet, you can go true to size. This is 9.5. My feet aren't that wide, so it fit cool, but it did fit a little bit snug on the sides. Comfort, like I said, it's not the most comfortable. I'll go ahead and give it a 3 out of 5 for comfort. As far as style, trail runners, we love them. Love the silhouette, we love the classicness. Like I said, trail runners are in, bulky runners are in. You know, I don't see it going anywhere. I don't see it changing anytime soon. So definitely 5 out of 5 for the classicness. As far as price point, I think the shoe retailed for $140. Right now, I think you can get them anywhere from like 60 to 80 bucks, depending on your size. That's a good price right there for a classic shoe. that gives you that classic outdoor look. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 5 out of 5 for price if you pick them up on sale, bringing us to a grand total of 13 out of 15 on the Shoot Your Shot rating system. Pretty good. That's our episode for today. These are the Nike Air Terra Humaras. Let us know how you feel about them in the comments below, and we'll get you guys on the next one. Real quickly, shout out to our affiliates, Game Ball Podcast. If you haven't already, do it now. Subscribe. If you didn't do it in the beginning, you do it right now at the end. Catch you guys on the next one. Shoot Your Shot TV, Shoot Your Shot Records, Air Terra Humara, Air Terra Humara, Air Terra Humara. Like that. Hey, I don't know. I just like saying Air Terra Humara.